welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and I thought I would try something different today. This is not at all something I would normally do. However, I have realized that I'm having a really hard time finding certain ingredients, and I wanted to see if I could make them using different methods or using ingredients that I can get a hold of here. And so today we are making refried beans. I have been having a hard time finding them. Sometimes you can find them in like an international section of a store, but lately I have not been able to find them, and I'm not sure why. Having some sort of refried bean shortage or something, I don't understand, but I really miss them and I wanted to use them for a recipe, and so I decided to figure out how to make them myself. So I wanted to share that with you. Let's get started. Not too many ingredients. We need 2 cans or 800 grams of chili beans. We actually need pinto beans, so if you can find them without the chili sauce, that would be better, but this is what I found. 2 tablespoons olive oil, ½ cup or 120 milliliters of water, salt to taste, garlic to taste. Feel free to use fresh garlic if you prefer. Dried onions to taste, which can of course also be fresh. The first thing I'm going to do is drain the chili beans of all the liquid. I also rinse them to remove as much of the chili as I can. Then, in a large frying pan, add oil. If you are using fresh onions or garlic, fry them here before adding the beans. Add the beans, water, and spices. Heat over medium-high heat and simmer until most of the water is evaporated. Then press the beans down with the back of a spoon. You can also use a potato masher or an immersion blender if you prefer. I wanted more chunks, so the back of the spoon works fine. When you're done, most of the moisture should be gone. This totally worked. It does have a spicy aftertaste from the chili, but otherwise works perfectly. It just makes barely more than you would normally get in a can of refried beans. Let me know if there's something else you would like to see. For more recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.